Okay, good morning. Good morning, all of you, first PC students. Okay, now, yesterday, what did we complete the topic trigonometry? Briefly explain only trigonometry, totally explanation, all formulas. Okay. Compound angles formulas are also not explained. So the compound angle formulas already known. So we have to read and practice. So next topic is complex numbers. Next topic is complex number. Here we are going to the new chapter, complex numbers. Complex numbers. So this is 9 marks, 1 plus 2 plus double 3. 3 marks questions 2 and 1 mark question, 2 marks question. Complex numbers. First, before explain the complex number, explain the complex number. Before, some numbers we have to discuss. Which numbers? Natural numbers. You know natural numbers? Natural numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational, real numbers. You know, first what is the natural number? First of all, natural numbers. What is the natural numbers? Natural numbers are nothing but numbers, only numbers, positive numbers. So the natural number is denoted by capital N. Denoted by capital N is nothing but natural numbers, simply denoted. But number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Only positive numbers only. This is natural numbers. What is the whole numbers? Whole numbers. Whole number is denoted by W. What is the whole number? 0 to the number, the natural number starting with 1, 2 and so on. The whole number starting with 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are also positive numbers and with 0 also. What is the difference between natural number and whole number? What is the difference between natural number and whole number? Only difference is 0. Okay, whole number is equal to n plus 0, natural number plus 0. Only one number, 0 number is additional. Next, what is the rational number? The integer, first of all, integer. The integer is denoted by IZ or I. Z is nothing but integer. What is the integers? Plus or minus numbers. Natural number, whole numbers are only positive numbers, but integers means negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. So this is and so on, minus 3 and so on. This is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. Okay. In the positive integers are two types, positive integers, negative integers. Positive integer, 0 is the positive or negative, both positive integer, negative integer. So positive numbers is positive integers, negative numbers is negative integers. These two types. Okay. Every natural number is integer. Question number 1. Observe this 3-1. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Oh, every natural number is an integer. Every natural number integer is an integer. So 1 is integer, 2 is integer, 3 is integer, 4 is integer, 5 is integer. All numbers are integer. Every natural number is an integer. Every whole number is also an integer. So 0 is an integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these all are integers. So every natural number is an integer. Every whole numbers is an integer. Okay. So every natural numbers are integer. Then every integers are natural numbers? Need not be. Some integers, positive integers, some integers are natural numbers, some integers are whole numbers. So converse need not be true. Converse is true. Every natural number is integer, but every integer not an natural numbers. Need not be. Okay, this one integers. So positive integers, z plus o. Negative integers z minus. Z minus is nothing but negative integers. Z plus is nothing but positive integers. Next, rational numbers. Rational number is denoted by Q. Rational number. A number is of the form P by Q not equal to 0. Otherwise irrational number. So what is the rational number? Rational number is of the form P by Q, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 0 not an integer. So the Q not equal to 0 is the condition. Q not equal to 0. P equal to 0, okay, no problem. P anything by 0 by anything equal to 0. So 0 is a rational number. So P 1 by 2, 1 by 3, these are all are rational number. Otherwise irrational number. Next, real number. The real number is denoted by R. Okay. All numbers in minus infinity to minus 2 and so on, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity, in between any number, not only numbers, any number, fractional, rational number, irrational number, integer, whole number, natural number, these all numbers is a real numbers. All numbers are real numbers. So in between 1 to 2, how many numbers are there in between 1 and 2? In between 1 and 2, how many numbers are there? Infinite numbers are there. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.10, 1.11, 1.12. These are infinite number between any number. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. The in between only 1 to 2. Infinite numbers are there. That numbers also in between infinite numbers. The total numbers, any number is a real number. So not only numbers, this is plus numbers, minus numbers are not only. In between 1 and 2, so many numbers are there. That numbers also is a real numbers. Every natural number is a real number. Every natural number is a real number. Yes, every natural number real number. Every whole number real number. Every integer real number. Every rational number real number. Every irrational number real number. So in the real number, all numbers are there in the real number. In real numbers, rational numbers is there, rational numbers are there, integers are there, whole numbers are there, natural numbers are there. Any number in there in real number. So relation, subset, you know subset. Subset belongs to a set, two sets in between using the set subset, and two numbers in between belongs to. This is the real number. Real number, natural number. Natural number is subset of, natural number subset of whole number. Whole number is subset of integers. Integers is subset of rational number. Rational number is subset of real number. Okay, rational numbers, this is subset. R is a set. Q is the subset of R. Subset of R. You know subset? Subset of R. Z is the subset of Q. W is a subset of Z. N is the subset of W. This is the biggest, the family. This is the family head. This R is the head of the family. This is the real numbers. Up to this is the SLC. This is the fundamental real number in one chapter is there. Rational number, so many number up to one. Okay, this is. Look at this 1 minute. Take a time 1 minute. Okay, next. So let us go to complex numbers. This is also one of the number. What is the complex number? The number, definition of complex numbers. The number is of the form, the number is of the form a plus I into b. Normally 1, 1, 2, 1 by 2, root 3, these are normal numbers, real number, rational number, irrational number, this one. So the number, any number, the number is of the form a plus I, small I, a plus I into b. Okay, this type of number, for example 2 plus 3i, 5 plus 6i, 2 minus 3i, I must be is there in I. So a plus ib form. Okay, root 3, 2 plus root 3i. A number is of the form a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers. Where a and b are real numbers. Is of the form a plus ib is called complex numbers. Example: 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i, 0 or 1 and so on. 0 also a complex number, 1 is a complex number, 2 plus 3 is a complex number. Any number is a complex number. 1 no complex number, real number. 1 is a complex number, real number, rational number, irrational number, integer, whole number, natural number. With all. Okay. So, sir, this is what is the definition? Sir, definition is 2 plus a plus ib form is called the complex number. That is the meaning. So, 0 is not a form of a plus ib. Show it. 0 is equal to what? 0 plus I into 0. I into 0, anything into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 is equal to 1 plus I into 0. So, what is the AB? The number is of the form a plus ib, where a and b are which numbers? Real number. So, 1 is a real number, 0 is a real number. So, 1 is converted into 1 plus I into 0. So, a plus ib, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. So, every number is a complex number. In terms of with I, without I, or any number is a complex number. Okay? And I square is equal to minus 1. No. That implies I is equal to root of minus 1. No. Okay? Example, so I square is equal to minus 1. No. I is equal to root of minus 1. No. This is the definition of complex numbers. You take any number, minus 2 is a complex number, 0 complex number, minus 2 real number, 0 real number. Minus 2 is a natural number? No. Minus 2 is a integer, rational number. This one. This is the complex number definitions. Write down. Next one. Next definition. Real and imaginary parts. Real and imaginary parts. What is the real part? What is the imaginary part? Real part, imaginary part. In the complex number, what is the complex number form? In the complex number a plus ib, in the complex number a plus ib, a is called real part. A, the first one, a is called real part, and b is called imaginary part. imaginary part. What is the real part too? In terms of there is no I, only excluding I. Excluding I is called real part, including I is called imaginary part. The coefficient I into part. For example, 2 plus 3i. In 2 plus 3i, what is real part? Real part is 2 and imaginary part. Imaginary part is 3. I into value is called imaginary part. Remaining value, real part. Another example, this is one. This is 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3i. In 2 minus 3i, what is the real part and imaginary part? First of all, 2 minus 3i is converting to 2 plus of minus 3 into i, because what is the form of complex number? A plus ib, not a minus ib, a plus ib. For example, a plus ib have to given that a minus ib from type of complex number convert into, this is a complex number, but a minus ib also complex number. So imaginary part real numbers only to a, this is b is minus 3, because comparing the given problem with a plus ib. Given problem comparing with a plus ib. A plus ib, this is the a plus, this is minus. So we convert into plus of minus. Minus into plus is what? Minus. So what is the real part? Real part is 2. Imaginary part. Imaginary part is what? Minus 3. This is the meaning of the definition. Real and imaginary parts. Okay. This one. Write down. Next, equal of complex number. Equal of complex numbers. When the two complex numbers are equal, two complex numbers, two complex numbers z1 is equal to a plus ib, z2 is equal to c plus id. These are two complex numbers. These two complex numbers when will equal? When will be equal? When equal? Real parts to imaginary parts are equal. So equation x plus 1 equal to x plus 1. Both are equal. So x plus 1 all are equal. So in the complex numbers, equal means, do complex number equal means real part to imaginary part to equal. Okay, if two complex number are equal, if a is equal to c, in first complex number real part to second complex number real part to equal, and first complex number imaginary part to second complex number imaginary part to equal means the two complex numbers are equal. This one. Example. z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i. z2 equal to 2 plus 3i. These are equal complex numbers or not? These are equal. Therefore, z1 is equal to z2 because two real parts. Here real part 2, first one real part 2. First one imaginary part, second complex number imaginary part, both are same. So these complex numbers are equal. This is the one. Next one. Okay. Next, one example problem. Example problem. If 4x plus I into 3x minus y, 4x plus I into 3x minus y is equal to 3 plus I into minus 6. 3 plus I into minus, where x and y are real numbers, where x and y are real numbers. Then find the values of x and y. This is the Z1, one complex number. This is the another complex number. First complex number, second complex, in between equal. In between equal means the two complex numbers are equal. The two complex numbers are equal. Okay. So find the x and y value. When the two complex numbers are equal, real part 2, the first complex number real part 2 is equal to the second complex number real part. So 4x is equal to, what is the 4x? 4x is equal to 3. 4x plus I into 3x minus y given, first what is the given data, is equal to 3 plus I into minus 6. Comparing both real and imaginary parts. Comparing and equating or equating. So two complex numbers are equal means when the two complex numbers are equal, imaginary parts, real parts both are equal. So equating both real and imaginary parts. So 4x is equal to what? 3. This is 4x is the real part of first, 3 is the real part of second. Next, this is I equal to I means cancel. So what is the imaginary part? 3x minus y imaginary part of 1, minus 6 is imaginary part of 2. 4x is equal to 3 means x is equal to what? 3 by 4. 3 into 3 by 4 minus y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to 9 by 4. 3 into 3, 9 by 4. The minus 6 goes to left side plus 6. So this is the 4 LCM. 9 plus 24, that is equal to 33 by 4. Therefore, what is x? X is equal to 3 by 4 and y is equal to 33 by 4. Okay. Okay. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss the next two algebraic of complex number. Algebraic complex numbers is what? Algebra problem plus minus into divide means two complex numbers equal. Next two complex numbers addition, two complex numbers subtraction, two complex numbers multiplication, two complex numbers division. This type of complex numbers tomorrow I will discuss. Okay, thank you.